The Beginner's Guide to Social Media Marketing. Are you looking to take your business to the next level with social media marketing? In this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know to get started. Hey there, my name is Raul Quiroga and today I'm going to be talking about social media marketing. A lot of people don't really understand how it works or where to start, but that's where I come in. In this video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know so that you can hit the ground running and start seeing results for your business. So let's get started. 1. Social media marketing is the process of using online platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn to build relationships and interact with potential and current customers. 2. There are a number of reasons why you should use social media marketing. It's a great way to connect with customers, build brand awareness, and generate leads. 3. The benefits of using social media marketing include increased brand awareness, better customer engagement, and more leads. 4. To create a social media marketing plan, you'll need to decide which social media platforms you want to use, create content for those platforms, and set goals for your campaigns. 5. Some common mistakes made in social media marketing include not setting goals, not creating enough content, and not targeting the right audience. 6. You can measure the success of your social media marketing campaigns by looking at factors like website traffic, conversions, and engagement rates. Stay tuned for more helpful videos covering marketing, social media and other business tips coming soon. If you like our videos and find them valuable, please follow us on our YouTube channel Digital Promotion New Braunfels and our website at digitalpromotionsnewbraunfels.com. Like and share the videos and subscribe to our channel.